Hey, Dad, I tried to cook dinner tonight.
Oh? How did it go?
Let's just say the smoke detector is officially my new kitchen timer.
Haha, classic. What were you making?
Pasta. I set the water to boil and then got distracted by a YouTube video. By the time I looked back, it was all evaporated and the pot was smoking.
You didn't burn the house down, did you?
No, but I think the smoke alarm is thinking about calling the fire department.
Maybe stick to cereal next time.
Yeah, or I could just marry you and live off your cooking.
Tempting offer, but I'm not sure I want to be responsible for your hangry meltdown.
Deal's off then. Guess I'm doomed to microwave meals forever.